Gukura kwa uhuthiri wa mitambo ya KIRIU, bururi wa Kenya ni hotete kwambatiria ikiro cia kiwonjoria hamwe na WUIGITHIA undu uria hotithitie bururi guthie na mbere na gukura. Ni kuringana na mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto akiaria ri MWENA wa Francisco bururi-ini wa Amerika agikinyiriria ati uhuthiri wa mitambo ya KIRIU ni uteithiriirie hari gukura kwa utonga wa bururi.
For the sake of stability, we have a tax code that is simple to enforce, consistent, fair and predictable, that lasts at least 3 years. This is one commitment that I undertook when I made contact and I had a conversation with the American Chamber of Commerce.
Ruto augite bururi wa Kenya utuikite kiguciririo kuri aigithia kuma kona ngurani cia thi kumana na mitaratara mikinyaniru iria yareirwo ya kwarahura wonjoria wa bururi.
Given Africa's unique situation with the international financial system, few countries enjoy the fiscal space required to commit significant resources to strategic investment aimed at systematically developing digital infrastructure, services, skills and entrepreneurship.
Aigithia hamwe na wonjoria thiini na nja wa bururi ni mereirwo kugacirithirio ugitiri mukinyaniru riria marahuthira mitambo ya KIRIU na uguo matibatie gukorwo na wagagu riria mararuta wira.
To set up in our continent, you needed to partner with companies in Kenya to the extent of 30% of equity. We have removed that requirement because we realize that the ability or capability of some of the companies locally to have that kind of resources.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.